We live in a world in constant change, evolution, and innovation, where it is necessary to implement new ideas and actions every day to grow and be able to maintain leadership and presence in the national and international market. This has led Tensortec to become the direct route for the development of telecommunications and data transmission for companies inside and outside the country. In Tensortec, our engineering department uses the latest software to design and perfect all our products and thus guarantee the quality in the transmission of data that our clients require. Fulfilling creative challenges to satisfy all requirements for domestic and international markets. Thanks to our plant that is equipped with avant-garde machinery and our highly trained employees who work every day with effort and commitment in each of the processes in order to provide our customers with security and support with the quality that characterizes each of our products. We have transformed 150,000 tons of steel and 250,000 tons of plastic in parts and pieces of great quality and resistance to lay 21,000 kilometers of fiber optic cable and thus connect all of Ecuador towards a bright future. For this reason, in Tensortec, we have spared no effort. We have invested in laboratories to certify our products with the standards ISO 9001, version 2015, ASTM E8 traction of metallic materials. Our administrative, commercial, and marketing areas are faithfully committed to the client to provide a consistent, first-line service to the products that the company manufactures, and thus extend its value to the future. So much so that for greater comfort for our customers, we have a sales coverage in 22 provinces of the country. As an exceptional added value for our clients and taking into account that they are the core of the companies, we have trained more than 5,000 people nationwide, thus improving the professional and personal level of each of the people involved in this process. We are an expanding company, which moves towards the future with a firm step projecting us as a multinational and positioning ourselves solidly thanks to the presence and quality of our products in countries of Central and South America such as Peru, Panama, Bolivia, and Guatemala, implementing rings of fiber optic layering with excellent results. Our commitment, work ethic, and honesty towards our clients are the basis of our success. Tensortec wants to be a strategic partner for you. In Ecuador, we develop technology creating quality for the world.
Bienvenidos a Tensortec, 15 años en el mercado y con nuestros clientes muy satisfechos con los productos desarrollados para sus negocios. Invitamos a la región que participen de Tensortec y conjuntamente podamos crecer en el mercado en las compañías.